In this video we're going to look at decimal addition and subtraction. We're going to start off with an addition sum. We can see here we've got 0.4 and 0.32. Now this has got an uneven amount of decimal places. We need to make sure when we're using our boxes that the decimal places line up. That's the most important thing, and everything else will stay in order then. So if we look here, I've got 0.4 and I've got 0.32. And I'm adding these together. So we can see here we've got a blank space. Whenever we've got blank spaces, we can put zeros in to help us out to make it a little bit easier. Straightforward addition from there. So 0 add 2 gives you 2. 4 add 3 gives you 7. Decimal place is in line through the question and the answer. 0 add 0 gives you 0. So the answer to 0.4 add 0.32 is 0.72. Similar process when we are subtracting. Decimal places must line up through from the question and answer. So we've got 0.6, 0.52. We are taking them away. We have a blank space which we put a 0 in. This time we've got 0, take away 2. We can't take the 2 from the smaller number of a 0, which means we're going to need to borrow from this number here. So we're going to borrow from the 6 to make it a 5. We give the 1 to the 0 to make it a 10. 10 take away the 2 gives us 8. 5 take away 5 gives us 0. Decimal place lines up through the question and the answer, and 0 is there. So the answer to 0.6 take away 0.52 is 0.08. Next one, again, uneven amount of decimal places, but we need to make sure these decimal places line up. So we have 1.09. We are taking away 0.356. Again, we've got a blank space which we fill with a 0. Can't do 0, take away the 6, so we need to borrow from the 9 to make it an 8. We give the 1 to the 0 to make it a 10. 10 take away 6 gives you the 4. 8 take away the 5 gives you 3. 0 take away 3 we can't do, so we're going to borrow from the 1 to make it a 0, give it to the 0 to make it a 10. 10 take away the 3 gives you 7, and decimal place lines up for the question and the answer. 0 take away 0 is 0. Got these questions on the side here for you to have a try. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so this gives you an answer here of 2.56. This one, an answer of 0.14. This one, an answer of 5.21. Please don't be tempted to do them in your head. Make sure you use a method. Nice marks to add up on your GCSE paper. Good luck with your homework. Hope this helps. Thank you.